Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My name is Mohammed Shoaib, and today in this tutorial video, we will learn how to create a new graphic page in WinCC SCADA and how it's look like in the runtime. And we all will also configure the startup page and like how we can configure any of the page as a startup page. And we'll explore some more options like full screen mode and other options. So our first step will create some graphic page. For that, we have to come here in the graphic designer, right click and open. As right now we did not create any of the graphical page, so here we are not able to see. Once we create some graphic page, we can see those graphic page here. So I will create some text and I will write it here. Home screen, home screen. So just expand it. Come here in effect, and just we have to select this effect, and here global color scheme, just put it no, and then come here in the color background style, sorry, and here fill pattern transparent, and then line weight I will put it 0. So then here come in font, I will put some size like 20. I want to increase like 30. Okay. Home screen. Okay. I will save it. So I will put the name like home screen. Click at save button. And I will create one new page, file new. And here I will just copy it. I will paste it here. And I will rename like this is page 1. So we just created 2 page. I'll put this page 01. Okay, so now we created a 2 page. So I will just close it. Here you can see those 2 pages. Now I want whenever my runtime runtime WinCC runtime will run, on that time the first screen, home screen, should be appear. For that you have to come here in the computer, right click, property, and here startup. You must have to ensure the SCADA graphic runtime is selected. In that case, this runtime graphical options will work. So first step, graphic runtime, then graphic runtime, come here and the start picture. Here select your home screen page and then click OK and then press OK. And after that, click here in the run icon. So now our runtime application is loading. It will take few seconds to start it. So here is our runtime screen. So as I configure the once the runtime application is run, then the home screen should run. So as you can see, is the home screen is running. So for example, I will stop my application. Now I want that the second page I created, here, come here, right click property. And now I want my page one, once the application is real-time application run, the page one should first appear. So as you can see, the now page one is appearing here. So like that, we can configure whichever page we want at the startup once the application should run, and we can configure is like that. Thanks for watching this video.